Welcome to Simply Elegant. Today I am going to show you how to create a very simple ranch that takes a minute or less. The ranch recipe, you need 1 cup of milk or buttermilk, 1 cup of regular mayonnaise, some parsley flakes, some thyme leaves, some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper and salt. First, want to add about half a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes into a small bowl, half a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then some salt and pepper, about a half a teaspoon of each. Once you've added all of your spices in, just give it a little mix, and that is essentially your ranch dressing mixture. If you don't have any of these spices on hand, you can definitely just use a ranch dressing packet as well. Now you're going to add your 1 cup of milk into your 1 cup of mayonnaise, and also your spice mixture, and then give everything a mix. As you can see, it is still a little bit liquidy, so we need to chill this in the fridge for 30 minutes to thicken up. Ranch is chilled in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and look at how nicely it has thickened. I separated it into 2 different bowls because I'm using the ranch for 2 different recipes, but you guys can feel free to double it up if you're just using it for dipping or for other recipes. Thank you for joining me once again on Simply Elegant. I hope that you enjoy this simple recipe and definitely give it a try.